कुछ शुरुआत कर रहे हैं आप, तो उसके बारे में भी कुछ शेयर कर दीजिए. फुटबॉल लीग्स.
हाँ, आई थिंक यार मैं अभी फिलहाल में दुबई में था और मैंने देखा वहाँ पे एक इंडोर फुटबॉल का कॉन्सेप्ट है, यू नो, 5 a side. आई थिंक दीज, अच्छा हमारे यहाँ पे मैं मुंबई में मैंने नोट किया है, सिर्फ बांद्रा में लोग खेलते हैं, जैसा मैंने एक बार ट्वीट किया था, बांद्रा में खेलते हैं, हर जगह पे फील्ड्स नहीं है. आई थिंक दीज स्मॉल लिटिल थिंग्स, ये मुझको अभी ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो मैं आया हूँ आज, मुझको ये बहुत encourage कर रहा है to think of new things, that I'll take the initiative, go to all big corporates and say, should we start this also? हर जगह पर फुटबॉल तो, I mean, I always say this, one of the nations 20-25 years ago, we are the only nation which was on the threshold of development and don't have a good football team. All around the world, all the nations which were developing and are now developed or in the throes or at the threshold of development, everybody has a great football team because it's the cheapest, it's the most beautiful game to play. Just take a ball and kick it around. And I think all these sports should be encouraged. So I would, in whatever capacity, I'm sorry, my main job is to act. So it takes over 12 hours in a day doing that. I don't get enough time. 18 actually, yeah. I don't get enough time, but whenever I'm called upon in any capacity, I would love to, even to play football really.
Okay, I'm afraid they only have time for 2 more questions. Let's give someone else a chance. Gentleman there. No. That gentleman there. That gentleman, then you. But let him ask and you'll be asking next.
They've already seen the involvement. Shah Rukh has already explained that how motivated he is towards promoting other sports. But what about sponsors like Toyota and Coca-Cola? If this tournament is extended to other sports and which are not commercially that successful, even as we see the recent tournament hockey, that this initiative can be taken to that level or to other sports.
Can I answer that? I'll try to explain to you the logic of this, then I'll give the mic. See, what happens is you need a platform for people to see it like NDTV is. They are going now and asking somebody to put it on a sporting platform, some sports-oriented channel, which hopefully will happen in China. Then they've taken a brand ambassador who gives it a face like me. I may not play the sport as well, but I'm there. And then they've got the sponsors who really feel, and so honestly said, that it helps them have a connect with the youth. Of course, it is about the product, it's about the face, and it's about taking some socially relevant costs for a media house. But I think all these things need to keep on coming together for every sport. And I with all my understanding of this, and speaking to Dr. Roy and the whole team from NDTV, I don't think it's a hugely profit-making beginning. But I wish they make profit so that they can extend it to another sport, which perhaps is not so profitable. I wish they make it bigger. I think we should not shirk away from the fact that this should be commercially viable, so that fund can be used for a more or less commercially viable sport at this point of time.
Other sports also you think would be of interest?
I think, like Shah Rukh said, it has to be the combined efforts of all stakeholders. We as a corporate cannot, take one sport as and just sponsor it. We got a very good proposal from NDTV and other stakeholders. We got motivated with that and we are supporting it. So if there's any proposal like that, which gives us a sense of opportunity to connect with the customer, we'll be very happy to do it.
But the lady there at the mic.
Hi, I would actually first of all congratulations on what you're doing, and I would like to address this question in general to the panel. Are you by any chance trying to maybe extend this amazing opportunity to a women team also?
मैं तो यहाँ पे आया इसलिए हूँ। ये तो ठीक है, ये सब ये स्वेटी लड़के वड़के करते रहे जो करते हैं।
Extend this to women's teams.
This to women team also and maybe
Okay,
commercialize
fine. I keep saying last question. This is whoever's got the mic. That lady out there, this is the last question. Just go the mic. This is the last question, I'm afraid.
Hello. Hi, Shah Rukh. This question just goes to you, like when you played and then when you did Chak De India and now when today we stand in a day like this, what has been the changes for women's sports, like maybe women cricket or something like that? Like what changes have you experienced and what do you feel like, how do women represent sports in India and how is the future going to be?
I mean, if you're asking me, have I seen a change from that time? I haven't really. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत drastic change. I wish हो जाता. लेकिन फिल्मों से इतना चेंज नहीं आता, वो रिफ्लेक्ट करती हैं सोसाइटी को. आई थिंक नॉट, you know, and I think we showed the condition of women's sports in our country. How sometimes there are issues with are not. I mean, I don't want to start a discussion on that at this point, but it is sad that there are situations like this, and 100%. मतलब मैं डॉक्टर रॉय को भी कहूँगा, जितने यहाँ पर लोग हैं, खुद को भी, and I mean, jokes apart, I really think it's more important for women to come up in front and play sport. I think we keep talking about women's rights and their protection and all the stuff that is happening around the country. I think one of the greatest moments for women would be, the greatest things to divert attention and energies to the right place would be to promote women's sports. And I'm sure Dr. Roy will further this.
I would like to say that everybody here is asking this question. This is just the beginning. We will invest in other university sports. We will make sure they come up. And if it takes 10 years, we will do it. This is not just it.
All right? That's great. Can I just get final thoughts perhaps from anybody who wants to make a final thought? Kanika, final thoughts? Prannoy, this has been really, I have to say, Prannoy, this has been your brainchild, something you've been really pushing. What do you have to say to all the people who helped bring it together?
Well, I'd like to thank the Associate Indian University, Mr. Gurdeep Singh there.
You know, मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है. आई थिंक जितने भी मीडिया के लोग हैं जो इसके बारे में बात करेंगे या आज आएंगे यहाँ पर, एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि हम लोग जो है एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू लेकर जल्दी से उसको उछालना शुरू करते हैं, बात करना शुरू करते हैं. प्लीज डू नॉट इन एनी विच वे थिंक कि ये सिर्फ क्रिकेट के लिए है इसलिए ठीक नहीं है. हमको ये बात बिलीव करनी चाहिए कि जो चीज़ चल रही है उसके माध्यम से उस स्पोर्ट को हम पॉपुलर करके दूसरी जगहों पर हम उसको जरूर यूज करें. इट्स अ सिंपल कमर्शियल लॉजिक. इट इन नो विच वे टेक्स अवे फ्रॉम द फैक्ट or demeans the status of any sport, which I can assure you, having spoken to all these gentlemen here and others, that सबके सब हर sport के लिए ऐसे ही आगे आएंगे, for women and for men. So please don't just take one aspect of it as only for cricket.
Hey,